Today, the AI industry witnessed massive developments. NVIDIA's $5 billion Intel investment reshapes hardware landscape. Chrome integrates Gemini AI for 3 billion users. Notion 3.0's AI agents work autonomously for 20 minutes. Meta's AR glasses feature EMG wristband for contactless control, and Biostate AI compresses biological research cycles from years to weeks. Let's explore these industry-changing events. Breaking news. NVIDIA announces a $5 billion investment in Intel, marking more than just a financial transaction. It's a strategic alliance between two chip giants. The partnership will develop next-generation AI infrastructure, with Intel designing custom x86 CPUs and NVIDIA providing AI acceleration technology, deeply integrated through NVLink. This deal sent Intel's stock soaring nearly 23%, the largest single-day gain since 1987. What does this mean? The AI hardware supply chain is reorganizing, creating new competitive dynamics for TSMC and AMD.
Chrome browser reaches a historic milestone. Google officially integrates Gemini AI into the world's most popular browser, representing not just a feature upgrade, but a fundamental transformation of browsing experience. Imagine planning a trip where Gemini automatically aggregates information from multiple websites into a complete itinerary. Even more exciting is the upcoming agent functionality. With just one command, AI can help you book haircuts, order groceries, and complete complex tasks.
Notion launches version 3.0 today. Not just an update, but a revolution in how we work. The new AI agents can work continuously for 20 minutes, executing complex tasks across hundreds of pages. Imagine saying, "Compile customer feedback and generate action plan," and the agent automatically collects information from Slack, email, and Notion, creates structured databases, and even sends notifications. Even more impressive is the personalized memory feature. The agent learns your work habits.
Meta just released a game-changing product, the Ray-Ban Display AI glasses. Priced at $799, this isn't just smart glasses, but a computing platform revolution. Imagine glasses with built-in high-definition color displays for private message viewing, real-time translation, and navigation overlay, weighing only 69 grams like regular sunglasses. Even cooler is the accompanying EMG wristband that reads your electromyography signals, allowing control through subtle finger movements, even air writing. This marks our transition from the smartphone era to true smart wearables. Biomedical research faces a revolutionary breakthrough. Biostate AI's K-Dense Beta is the first complete AI scientist system, compressing traditionally years-long research into weeks. Most shocking is the Harvard Medical School collaboration, discovering new biomarkers in aging research. The system achieves 29.2% accuracy on the most rigorous bioinformatics benchmark, surpassing GPT-4o and Claude. This means AI is becoming a true scientific research partner, accelerating human exploration of life's mysteries. Today's AI industry was truly magnificent. From chip alliances to browser revolutions, from workflow automation to smart wearable devices to biomedical breakthroughs, we witnessed AI technology blooming across all sectors. These innovations not only changed the technological landscape, but more importantly, they're redefining how we work and live. Tomorrow's AI world will be even more exciting.